Hi there, we're about to set up for 130 people in a team development workshop session today. I love doing these sessions because it's all about building cultures that thrive and putting purpose into practice. Why don't you come join us? We spoke about HBDI and whole brain thinking and how different thinking preferences can alter the way that we interact with others. Conflicting, I love that, that's a really good word to summarise that. Opposite quadrants are the ones that struggle to communicate the most. You're going to be faced with a very similar situation, and it's going to be less about your intellectual capabilities and more about how you show up as a team that will get you through. And so now you're just working through the 15 items? Okay, good, good. A lot of pressure on the number 2.
Number 2 is important.
Okay, all right, there you go, right? You're starting to have a theme here. Did anyone get a better score with the team than with the individuals? Yeah? It was better?
No.
How do you think your individual thinking preference helped or hindered you during that activity? Whoa! The winners! Well done. You shake my hand too, mate. Well done, team. Good work. So if you're ready to create a team culture that thrives in different situations and scenarios, why don't you reach out to us? We'll be more than happy to create a program that suits your needs.